Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL series. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and do comment, like, share to your friends. So let's go ahead and check today's topic. So T-SQL data types, SQL data types. In Transact SQL, which is dialect of SQL used by Microsoft SQL Server, there are various data types available for storing data types storing different types of data. Here is an overview some commonly used data types in T-SQL or SQL. So exact numerics, bit, integer data type that can store 0, 1 or null. So bit can allow 0, 1 or null values. So tiniid, integer data type values from ranging from 0 to 255. So if we will mention tiniid while creating the table, it will allow the values 0 to 255 only. So if it will reach out of 255, it will give the arithmetic overflow error for all integer columns. Small int also same error it will give. Small int is nothing but integer data type, same with values ranging from this one 3. This is the range 327682 32767. Okay, so it won't give the error like 32767. If it will reach out of this, it will give the error like arithmetic overflow error. Integer, so integer data type which values ranging from this is the value, it will reach 2 square 31. If you will do 2 square 31, you will give the, it will give the this value. Okay, up to here minus and plus values. So once this range reached, then only it will give the error. So while creating the tables or analyzing the tables, so make sure you need to select exact suitable data types. So integer, so after this it will give the error. If you have more data, you need to select big int. Big int is more than integer, right? Integer data type which values ranging from, this is highest ranging in big int. Okay. Okay. So decimal or numeric, fixed precision and scale numbers. For example, a decimal 10, 2 can store up to 10 digits within 2 digits to right of the decimal point. So it will allow 10 digits beside, beside right of decimal point. Okay. So after decimal point, whatever we have mentioned, it will select only two records like 0, 0 or it will round the data 10, 2. Okay, decimal. So next, appropriate numerics. Floating point number data type. Float also is nothing but floating point number data type. Next, real, single precision floating point number data type. So we will see all examples in future sessions. So next data type is date and time. Date and time. So date data type without a time component. Okay, without time component, DDMMY, whatever format we can use the date data type. Time data type without date component. To only fetch the time. Date and time data type both will come. We have in date time. Date time two timestamp. Extended date and time data type with higher fractional precision. Okay. At the same time, we have small date time as well. Date and time data type with less precision date time. Okay. These are all the date time data types we have in the T-SQL. Next, character strings. Character fixed length. So whatever required fixed length, we will type character in brackets. We will give the whatever the required size. Varchar, variable length data type. Same. Okay, text is nothing but end text. It will allow max of values, variable length, character data type of large text values. Okay, for that purpose we will use text, or varchar max and varchar max, like that we will use for text. So binary strings, so binary fixed length binary data types. I will show you binary data type, where binary, where we will use those examples while future sessions. So where binary, variable length binary data type. Okay, image, variable length binary data type for large binary values. For that purpose we will use the image. These binary strings data types we will rarely use based upon the requirement. Okay, so other data types, unique identifier, GUID. Okay, this is also we will use for most of the times. And XML stores the XML data. SQL variants stores values of SQL Server supported data types. Okay. Next, these are the just selection of data types available in T-SQL. Depending on your requirements, there may be additional data types required and variations required for your use cases. In that case, we need to use whatever we require. Those data types we are going to use in our real-time scenarios. Okay. This is about T-SQL data types. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends to reach better to other people. Thank you. Bye bye.